Here I have another mini pot, and I'm gonna put more seeds into this one to show you guys. I have some lettuce seeds that I got from Dollar Store. Here, this is the lettuce seeds that I bought from Dollar Store. Hopefully they work. Here you can see the lettuce seeds are smaller. There are a lot of them in this one, so I will probably add like around 10 or 12 seeds into the soil. I think this is good enough. The thing I'm gonna water this soil because it's very dry. Seeds need a lot of water for them to germinate. Here you can see the seeds. So the thing I'm gonna do, I don't have any more soil, so I'm gonna get some used tea bags and I'm gonna tear them off one by one, and I'm gonna cover the seeds with the used tea that I have, so that way the plants will have some. It's gonna be like natural fertilizer for them. It's gonna top them up to keep them warm. Here I have a little bag of tea. Gently just tear it up. And this is fresh, this is new, it's not used. And cover up all the seeds. And I have some used ones here. I'm gonna do the same thing with the used ones. They're still good enough to play as natural fertilizer. Also replace the soil. The tea that you drink every day is very nutrient rich, so it's good for the plants. You can always get used tea bags and then tear them up and put them on your soil instead of fertilizer. And here after this, put some more water. Yeah, this is wet enough. Here you can see it's very wet and moist. This will keep the seeds warm and wet for them to germinate in few days. It may take around 4 or 5 days or sometimes a week. It depends on the quality of seeds you have. I think these are good seeds, although I got them from dollar store. Hopefully they will work. Here I top them with some bags of tea to replace the soil. You can always add more, just like I did. So we'll see what's gonna happen in a few days. I'll let you know if they're gonna pop out or no. Thank you. Here I have some more pots here. This one I planted some radishes. You see, radishes grow very fast. You can collect the radishes after like 2 or 3 weeks. So these are growing fast. You can use the radishes in your salads or anything, you know, or in your smoothies. This one I have is lettuce. I only have one of them now. I planted few seeds, but hopefully lettuce, you know, it takes more time for lettuce to grow. So hopefully they're gonna pop out the soil soon. And this is strawberry. Strawberry takes longer, so there's nothing here yet. We'll see what's gonna happen.